Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Residential tenancy agreements are generally less complicated than commercial arrangements and are usually standardised because of state legislation, meaning that the Residential Tenancy Act of each state usually prescribes the minimum content and form of the tenancy agreement. RP Emery provides compliant residential tenancy agreement templates for professional property managers, landlords, and investors. Each agreement template has been professionally drafted to comply with the Residential Tenancy Act for each state and territory of Australia, allowing you to take full control of the management of your property. These agreements are very simple to use. Just open the document in MS Word, insert the information required, and print. Each kit includes clear instructions, entry and exit reports if required, a tenancy application form, and access to other necessary forms to ensure you meet your legal obligations. For more information on our residential tenancy agreement kits, follow the links below.